The Ellipal Wallet and Ledger Wallet are two of the most popular hardware wallets in the crypto space, each offering strong security features, but they differ in design, usability, and connectivity. The Ellipal Wallet is a fully air-gapped device, meaning it has no USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi connectivity. This makes it nearly impossible for hackers to access it remotely. It operates using QR codes for transactions, which adds an extra layer of protection against malware attacks. The device is also made of metal and plastic, making it highly durable, and it supports over 10,000 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of altcoins. Ellipal also integrates with a mobile app for portfolio tracking and transaction verification, providing a simple user experience for both beginners and advanced users. Ledger, on the other hand, is one of the most established hardware wallets in the market. The Ledger Nano X connects via USB and Bluetooth, allowing for easy interaction with computers and smartphones. Ledger wallets use a secure chip and proprietary operating system to keep private keys offline, protecting funds even if the connected device is compromised. Ledger Live, the companion software, enables users to manage multiple crypto assets, stake supported coins, and update device firmware directly. Ledger supports more than 5,500 cryptocurrencies and tokens, offering extensive compatibility with popular decentralized finance platforms. In terms of price, the Ellipal wallet costs approximately $169, while the Ledger Nano X is around $149. Both devices provide strong security, but the choice depends on user preference. Ellipal prioritizes absolute air-gapped security and simplicity, making it ideal for users focused on maximum protection. Ledger emphasizes accessibility, multi-asset management, and integration with DeFi applications, appealing to active crypto users who need a versatile solution. Both wallets deliver reliable hardware security, but understanding the trade-offs in convenience versus air-gapped safety is crucial for making the right investment in safeguarding digital assets.